By the year 100 after Christ, the Roman Empire was nearing its greatest point of territorial expansion, and the Emperor Trajan was about to invade a part of the world called Dacia, which corresponds to modern-day Transylvania. And in fact, after 2 wars, his victory finally came, and he celebrated it by commissioning the construction of a triumphal column known as the Column of Trajan. The column is nearly 30 meters in height. That's about 100 feet, and consists of a series of 17 drums or individual sections that are stacked one on top of the other. And in fact, inside of the column, there is a staircase with some 165 stairs that actually allowed people to climb up and down the column as well. And consider that the outside of the column is covered entirely in relief sculpture. The entire thing made of white Carrara marble, and those reliefs essentially recounting the military campaign against the Dacians. It's almost a documentary of this particular military episode in the career of the illustrious Emperor Trajan. And surmounting the Great Column, there was once a gilded statue of the Roman Emperor Trajan. That statue was lost in the Middle Ages and replaced with the gilded statue of St. Peter that you see today, put there by Pope Sixtus V at the end of the 16th century. So remember to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy, so you don't miss out on any of this great content that we're filming here in Italy and publishing weekly.